Pinamunuan naman kahapon ni Pangulong Aquino ang panalangin para sa bayan. Dumalo ang Pangulo sa Philippine Prayer Assembly sa Pasig City. Balikan natin ang report na ito ni Elena Luna.
Nakatago sa publiko ang espiritual na bahagi ng buhay ni Pangulong Aquino.
I normally pray by myself. And normally towards the end of the day,
Aminado ang Pangulo, mahirap pamunuan ang isang bansa.
there are difficult burdens in this particular job, especially when you don't want to be just taking your turn in the merry-go-round that leads nowhere, but when you want to lead the people towards their rightful place in the sun and be part of transformative change.
At ang pagdarasal ay nakakatulong sa kanyang liderato.
Prayer is indeed a very efficient weapon and a very efficient tool and really the source of our strength. When at the end of the day, it seems that the burdens seem insurmountable.
Sa kanyang pagdalo sa 2013 K4 Phil o Care for Philippines Prayer Assembly, isinapubliko ng Pangulo ang pribadong ritual sa buhay niya. Pinamunuan niya ang isang panalangin para sa bayan.
Dear God, you are our Father, and we thank you for our family, for our friends, for our steadfast supporters, like Bishop John Albilan, and of course Dr. Tanchi, Bishop Pindero. Through them, we feel your love and the constancy of your support. We admit we are not perfect. We ask for your wisdom as we endeavor to daily make your kingdom apparent in this world. Lastly, we ask that you shield us from our enemies as we endeavor to do your work. Amen.
Kasunod dito, nag-pray over para kay Pangulong Aquino ni Dr. Peter Tanchi, ang founder at president ng Christ Commission Fellowship, kasama ang may 10,000 mga naroon para sa Global Discipleship Congress. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.